Ladies and gentlemen, this course includes an overview of the National Election Commission of Korea, the candidate registration process, a briefing on the election campaign mechanisms, voting management, practicing election ICT, which Korea is a leader in, and account management. It will also include presentations of country reports from Fiji and Armenia, which is also participating in this program. The program will also be covering a by-election, and we will be undertaking a field trip to observe pre-polling, election campaign, voting and counting of the by-election that will be taking place when the team is there. The 2 weeks study program will be an educational learning experience for the FAO officials. It is important for FAO staff to attend and observe as many elections as possible. This is because in the world of elections, the general election for a country happens at periods of time. In Fiji, it's mostly at 4-year gaps. This means that anybody who has worked on the last election will only have one national election experience at the next election. The way to build capacity around that is to go and observe elections in other countries, participate in electoral processes in other countries or in their own countries in different levels, such as trade union elections in Fiji, for staff to become more experienced with elections and electoral procedures.